In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert special characters into your Google Docs, Slides, or Drawings files. This can be a really useful skill when you're working on documents that require specific symbols, like arrows, currency signs, or even different language fonts. So let's get started and make your documents much more visually dynamic. First, open up your file in Google Docs, Slides, or Drawings. Once that's ready, you will need to place your insertion cursor precisely where you'd like your special character to appear. This is key because the special character will be inserted right at this spot. Next, go to the top menu of your document. Look for the Insert tab and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Special Characters. This selection will bring up the Special Characters dialog box. This dialog box is a powerful tool with a few different ways to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Once the dialog box appears, you have multiple ways to locate the special character you need. The first option is to browse through the various categories, such as symbols, arrows, currency, and different languages. These categories are super helpful if you have a general idea of what you're looking for, but want to explore the specific options available. If you're searching for something more specific, you can use the search box within the dialog. Simply type in a description of the symbol you're after. Something like check mark or omega could work well. This immediate search function simplifies the process, saving you time from having to click through multiple options manually. In some versions, you'll find a particularly handy tool that's quite intuitive, the Draw tool. This allows you to actually sketch out the shape of the symbol you're looking for. The system then does its magic by matching your doodle with the available special characters. It's like having a built-in recognition guide, ensuring even if you can't think of the symbol's name, you might still be able to draw your way to it. Now that you've found the special character you want, all you need to do is click on it. The character will automatically appear at the location of your cursor in your document. One of the benefits of this feature is that the dialog box remains open, allowing you to insert multiple characters consecutively without having to repeat the process. When you've finished inserting your special characters, simply click the Close button on the dialog box. Once inserted, these characters can be treated like any other text. You can modify their font, change their size, or even adjust their color to better fit your document's design. And there you have it. A quick and easy method to add some special flair to your documents using special characters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create even more engaging projects.